again, you don't want to get stuck behind that blue Hyundai turning right, do you?
No.
Okay. However, second lights, we're turning right.
No. So once we've got going,
Good.
come over.
If people are waiting there to turn right, I know they've got a filter arrow on at the minute, but if they're waiting there to turn right, you might be able to use them as a buffer to be able to then glide across. But looking at it, that was brilliant. That was really nicely aware and nicely timed. Well done. Good. Yes, please. So well done. Nice early signal. Then allows people, if they don't want to get stuck behind you, to then shoot in there. However, it's a right turning lane, so people shouldn't be here going ahead anyway. Alright, but
do you think it's quite surprising how many people do that as well?
do you think the white one in front could do that?
Possibly with their positioning.
Yeah, position shows a lot, doesn't it?
Plus no indicator. So just be careful.
Yeah, 50-50 at the minute with it, mate. Now, 100% sure he's pushing out.
Stop it.
Yeah, good. Now what?
We can go.
Get into the middle? Yeah, good. Can you see oncoming very well? Improve your view then. How do you do that? The lights have now changed. What do we do? Good. Happy no one's clear, or coming through and then clear. Excellent.